Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I think my voice is not clear. Is it correct?
Few days back, I got a feedback from my friends regarding their responses to my YouTube vlogs.
After going over the messages, I realized I have a problem with my voice that is unclear. Actually, I don't know much about microphones and their brands and the qualities. Also, I'm not sure about which one would be best for my vlog. So I went to the Google site and searched. Yeah.
Don't do that!
Again, I opened my YouTube and I watched all the reviews about microphones. Yes, I really spent a lot of time to this. After all of these investigations, finally I decided to buy one which is affordable with my budget. On March 3rd, I placed an order on Flipkart, and on March 10th, I got my product.
K8 wireless microphone. It's very easy to plug and play. 20 meters of accessible reception, precise radio, clear timbre, highly sensitive and widely compatible. All these informations I got it from here.
Okay, can we go into test it?
Okay. Hello everyone. Yeah, it's working very well. I'm gonna talking about solo trip. I have never gone on a solo trip before, and I really very like to go travel alone. Since few months back, I called one of my friends, but I'm really very sorry, guys, because I couldn't. But I can't reveal her name out here. She is such an inspiring girl. No words to explain, and she told her lots of traveling stories and experiences, and which is sparked my curiosities. And also, I'm very excited with that, and I also thought to travel alone, which is I really planned 2 to 3 months back, but I couldn't get the chance. And also, there are lots of questions that is running around my head. I picked up the location that is close to my place. So, and I am also the kind of a girl who is really like to spend the most time in the seaside. So the ocean is always my most favorite place. So how could I choose any other places than the sea? So I chosen the beach side. That is, I'm planning to go the Kovalam beach. It's really a very nearest place, and I can easily go there. And I'm really very intended to go there when the crowd are in, because I believe it's very safe for me. It's about 9:30 in the morning. I started my journey. I'm on my way to my scooty, and I reached at 10:30 a.m. It's actually taken a 1 hour traveling. When I arrived, the first thing I did was I sent a message to my family. When you travel alone, you must maintain communication with your family. I think it's secure for you, and your family will never be concerned about you. Guys, actually, it's really the first time I'm traveling alone, and now I really feel very good. But at the same time, I'm really feel very bad about myself for being too late for traveling alone and for devoting too much time to this. First, I visited the Lila beach in Kovalam. We all know that Kovalam is famous for its beaches.
It's extremely popular among the Bostons due to the shallow waters and the low tidal waves. It's also known as the oldest tourist enclave in India, and it's also a tourist circuit right in 1930s. Oh my god, the sun is shining so brightly, and I'm looking for somewhere to sit. I really spent a few times here and I just relaxed with the scenery. Here I had a completely recaptured my private space. It allows me to discover myself and gives me a place to express my happiness, sorrows, and my wishes. Next, I am going to visit the Hawa Beach in Kolam. This is the Hawa Beach, and it's also known as the Eve's Beach because of its beautiful surroundings, and it's just like a heaven because it gives really very peaceful and relaxation mood, and I'm really very happy to come here. It's just an amazing. I'm gonna to buy an ice cream. It's so sunny. The sun is shining so brightly. Got it my ice cream. Normally I prefer chocolate ice cream, but for a change I choose butterscotch. I'm going to look around. I have heard that the solo travel is a wonderful experience, but this is the first time I have experienced it. If you have never traveled alone in your life, you should definitely go. It will definitely make a difference in your life. I'm very happy with this solo trip. It's also helping me to find myself and reduce my stress. Oh my god, the view beautiful. It's around 2 p.m. and I'm too hungry, so it's the time to searching the hotels. Yeah. Searching. There are a lot of restaurants here and it's very nice to look at. I have never seen a restaurant like this before. And I think we can easily get all of the seafood from here because I saw that all of the hotels mention it. Wow, amazing. Beautiful. And I finally spotted this lovely restaurant. It's really obviously classy, and I like this all the paintings and the arrangements and the colorful and everything. Really loved it. When I arrived here, there were no people around. That's why I chose this. And I'm very impressed with the service quality. They're very friendly and treated me well. And I chosen the opera dining option. In this hotel, have the two floors, and I am in the rooftop. And also the view is amazing. The lunch with the seaside. It's really amazing experience. Now I given my order. I'm waiting for that and just chilling with these views. Yeah, I got in my food. Just attack. Yeah, I'm a good girl. I finished it fastly. The bill is too expensive for me. I didn't expect that, but it's okay. Guys, I just finished my food and I'm going to the lighthouse. Yeah, you can see that. Guys, I'm going to there, the lighthouse. Very sad news. Lighthouse is also closed. They said that it also closed 6 months ago, so we having plans to go there. Okay, it's fine. But I
just walked at the side of this.
I just came here alone, so I find it's very difficult to talk and it's very difficult to take vlogs when I'm alone. In past, my friends also helped me, but now they are not with me, so it's too difficult. And people were looking at me, so I'm really very shy to record. I don't know, maybe I will not take more videos from here.
I bought this watermelon, it's really low price. I'm very thirsty, so I buy a bottle of water. It's around 5 pm in the evening, so I want to go back to my home.
What I'm thinking now is whether this is a dream or a reality, because I did it solo travel and this is one of my dream. And I have a dream to travel the world, but now I'm very helpless. I can't go, and I know I have so many boundaries in my families and so many problems. But now I am really very thankful to my God, because He gave the best moments in my life, and because this journey is feels like a heaven to me, and I'm very happy about that. And I'm not telling like that you to pack your bags and go for travel alone on tomorrow. You don't think like that. I just want to share my experiences about that. And so if you have a desire in your life and it's never seems to be happen, you should give it a try. Maybe you will be fail in first try or second try, but that's okay. You should give it a try. It's definitely it's possible. If I did it, whatever I can be, and I'm really very happy about that. If I can do it, definitely you can. Just think that when I am with my grandchildren in my 60s or 70s, maybe I will be think that how I spend my life, especially at the young stage. I'm sure that the first thing that comes to my mind is this beautiful journey I have made. So enjoy your life and make beautiful memories. Bye.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tattle my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you could never own. I feel this